How do you pronounce this name? Meaning, God, the God of Israel. We'll be looking at how to say more biblical names, names from the Bible in names of God. El Elohe Israel. El Elohe. El Elohe Israel. How do you pronounce this name? Meaning, God, the God of Israel. We'll be looking at how to say more biblical names, names from the Bible in names of God. El Elohe Israel. El Elohe. El Elohe Israel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.